2017 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, power passenger seat, remote engine start, navigation system, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver lumbar, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, front floor mats, cruise control, ABS four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, auto-off headlights, universal garage door opener. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.